It's up to about 60 miles per hour in some areas of the state. And you can see as we zoom in just a little bit more, it's moving towards Pine Bluff. Now with this, also reports of 1 inch size hail in the area as well. So showing how large the hail is, almost 3 inches. So we've seen that here across the state. And also not only hail, but lightning. The tree down on a house in Rover that is in Yale County. So numerous reports coming in, probably still be more as you did see there on Arkansas Tech's campus. Your current temperature is only a couple degrees off from where the high will be for today. So that is some good news for us. Nice warm temperatures, but take a look. Severe weather outlook for a slight risk for extreme southern Arkansas.
This warning is for parts of Logan County and northwestern Yell County in west central Arkansas.
Still have those severe thunderstorm warnings for Logan, Polk, and Scott counties right now. But we're talking about close to 8 inches in Russellville, almost 2 inches for central Arkansas. All of those reporters are very cold this morning. That's because we got this wind chill. It's in the single digits for us. 1 degree is what it feels like in Little Rock. Up north, though, a lot worse. You can see snow starting to enter into the state for the northern part here later on this afternoon. Does go throughout the rest of the state. Rain down south, that will turn into sleet and some snow. Slowly move down here throughout the weekend. A high starting off 2018 and even into Sunday will be into the 20s, so very cold there. Hey, good morning. You did mention the winds, Mariel. Winds are starting to pick up out here. We also do see some cars still trying to drive through here. This is on South Kerr Road. If you're on I-40, you take the Kerr exit and you go off to the left over that overpass. This is exactly where we are. So once again, very windy and roadways are pretty active this morning. We're actually going to get out of the way here just a second. This truck is coming. But once again, Lonoke County Sheriff's Office asking people to use caution. That's got a lot of water. Do not try to drive through it. It's just not worth the risk. Hey, good morning. Yes, we are in Arkadelphia on Caddo Street. You can see where we are right now. Sheriff's car right here blocking the bridge. This is going over the Ouachita River. Hey, good morning. Right now we have just arrived in Arkadelphia and we're up on Caddo Street right by the Ouachita River. And you can see right now we're here. We just arrived. We got a sheriff car blocking the bridge. We're actually going to get out here in just a few minutes to show you just how high the water is. You can't really see it from here.
Weather from the craneteam.com weather garden.
The fire's helping a little bit, but yeah, tomorrow will actually be a lot colder. So I will be feeling a lot different tomorrow, but sauna or a steam room kind of.
That's how it's feeling right now.
Yeah, that's how it's feeling right now. So for us, feeling decent compared to yesterday, our morning commute. Here's a look at that.
All you want is an extra hour of sleep from your daylight saving.
My favorite time is when we do fall back. I do get that extra hour.
Great day.
It feels good. Good afternoon, everybody. I don't really have good news for the parks and rivers around the area. Looks like we will be getting some heavy rain this weekend. It just won't stop. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Right now, things looking good outdoors. We actually warmed up quite a bit, so we did bump up the high for today. Also, it is breezy.
The Crane Kia Weather Garden.
Good afternoon, everybody. Out here in the weather garden, things are starting to heat up. Now the sun is out. Not too long ago, it was pouring down, raining. I know that was a trend for a lot of people earlier today.
And now, weather from the craneteam.com weather garden.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's pretty warm out here. Not only that, it's breezy. We're not seeing any more sun just yet. But I can tell you severe weather is on the way. I can also feel that the severe weather is on the way. My toe feels a little achy right now. So I know sometimes when you have your joints and arthritis, it does kind of hurt as the weather is changing. So that's what I feel in me. But take a look at Live View Max, though. You can see cloudy here all across the state. Down south, the areas in the pink, they are looking at a severe thunderstorm watch. So for right now, it's in southern parts of Arkansas, mainly towards the Texas area. So that's what we'll be watching for as that does move closer towards our area. But for right now, we're looking at mostly cloudy conditions. But take a look at this. This is actually updated since our 9 o'clock show. Right now, we are looking at a moderate risk of severe weather here as we're heading towards the rest of the state. mainly towards the eastern part. After that, though, looking at an enhanced risk in this orange kind of color and then slight risk here. This is all for severe weather. Take a look at what we're seeing. 2 to 9 p.m. will be the timing of all of this. So basically, we're expecting to see some strong winds, possibility of seeing hail, and even the possibility of a tornado. So we're not ruling any of that out. Once again, the timing of it later on here in about a couple of hours to this afternoon. Now here's a look, timing it all out for you. This is 3 p.m. Just spotty showers here towards central Arkansas as you head towards Clinton, Russellville, Mena. A little bit of showers starting to develop here. They do get stronger as they push forward towards the eastern part of the state. You can see 4:30, more storms starting to develop down there by Texarkana, parts of Hot Springs as well, and just north of Clinton, Heber Springs. You guys are seeing some of them. As we head towards the late night hours, these storms do get a little bit stronger. 7 p.m. you can see mostly stronger once they make it to the extreme eastern part of the state. So once again, looking at a very active couple of hours coming up here for us. So that will be the main concern for us. Now, we talked about wind for you. Do have a wind advisory here for the eastern and southern part of the state. Gusts very high for today. Take a look, though, current wind speeds here. Looking at 15 miles per hour as we go throughout the next couple of hours here. We're still seeing that on the map, and it will continue to be breezy as we head into the rest of tonight. Take a look at our max wind gusts for today. 37 in Little Rock, 36 in Stuttgart. It's very breezy all across the state for us. Right now, though, we're 77 degrees, very warm. Take a look at these temperatures here on the map, already almost into the 80s down south. But this is pretty interesting to look at the 24-hour temperature change. 33 degrees warmer right now in Little Rock than where we were this time yesterday. Here's a look at that extended forecast for you. A couple of days of some relief here for Wednesday, Thursday, and then another round.